The AI chip bubble. Can Samsung and SK Hynix survive the next war? Korea's semiconductor stocks are exploding. SK Hynix has surged dramatically. Samsung is recovering, and investors everywhere are repeating the same phrase. This time is different, and maybe they are right at least for now. AI data centers are creating massive demand for memory chips. Big tech companies are buying HBM and DRAM at an incredible pace. Long-term supply agreements are reducing short-term uncertainty, and many analysts now believe memory chips are no longer just cyclical commodities. But history tells us something important. Every major technological revolution created a financial bubble before reality finally caught up. Railroads, the internet, .com stocks, and now AI. The real question is not whether AI will change the world. It will. The real question is how long can this explosive investment boom continue before the market hits a wall? Because the semiconductor battlefield is already changing. For decades, the industry focused on shrinking transistors and improving chip density, but in the AI era, a new bottleneck is appearing. Heat and power loss. AI data centers move enormous amounts of data. Copper connections create resistance. Resistance creates heat, and heat destroys efficiency. That is why the next semiconductor war may not be about memory alone. It may be about light. Silicon photonics, co-packaged optics, and optical interconnects are becoming critical technologies for the future of AI infrastructure. Nvidia, TSMC, and major global players are already investing aggressively. In this transition, this creates a serious challenge for Korea. Samsung and SK Hynix dominate memory today. But if the future of AI depends on power efficiency, cooling systems, optical communication, and advanced packaging, the rules of the game could change very quickly. And competition is rising everywhere. TSMC is expanding. Micron is catching up. China is investing heavily. As products mature and supply increases, profit margins can shrink, even if demand remains strong. That is the brutal reality of the semiconductor industry. The deeper issue is investment strategy. Companies that use boom time profits to prepare for the next technological wave survive. Companies that focus only on short-term rewards often fall behind. Today's memory boom is a huge opportunity, but it could also become a dangerous illusion. The future winners of the AI era will not simply sell more memory. They will control heat, power, optics, packaging, and the next generation of AI infrastructure. Memory dominance is not over, but the next semiconductor war has already begun. And this time, the battle may be fought with light instead of copper. If you enjoyed this analysis, please subscribe and hit like. In the next video, we will explore whether Samsung and SK Hynix are truly prepared for the photonic semiconductor era. AI Policy Architecture Jung-il, Park.